Okay. Has a lot of people have seen or heard of Cresent? Excited to use Crescent? Crescent always seems to get the applause at events when people show this new Crescent BI capability. So, as what Craig, to follow up, Craig has mentioned, we're bringing those templates directly to you, pre-built templates that are going to be coming out in R8. So here is obviously not the whole list here, but there's several of the reports that are going to be available. These are Power View templates, so they are delivered as part of a SQL, as you see here. These are deployed within SQL, and I'm able to launch these. So what I'm going to show you is this product sales analysis report, I believe. Yes. So this is a Power View report that is going to be delivered as part of R8, and again, built on top of the CRM data model. So this is pulling data directly from CRM. That's a pretty looking report, but let's talk about the flexibility and the power of what I have to do within this data. Rather than just seeing a nice view of the data, which we've done decently in our dashboard capability, I now have this rich report which is interactive. So as I've built this data model, in this particular case, I'm going to click on Math Tools. You'll notice the entire chart refreshes based on the data I'm interested in. So think of this almost in kind of the old days of those connected web parts, right? When I have one different piece, the rest of the charts refresh based on that. So give it a second to run the query here. But this ability now to go deeper in my analysis of these different services. So I'm able to click and drill into these. These are all, there we go, properly rendered. So
it's not a very performant server. It's running on a developer's machine in India. So just to set the expectation there.
Also connecting via our VPN here. So great. So I have this report interactive. I can click and drill down and analyze the data that makes sense to me. I can also let's just roll all the way back. So any of those charts, if I click on the charts, the other charts will refresh based on that specific data set. So I'm just refreshing the screen to get back to our original filter. And want to hit on the next piece. So beyond the interactivity of these linked charts, I can also do some additional analysis. As we capture data in CRM, it's great to see an image like this that shows how am I performing. But you can get different. You can basically come up with different analyses based on how things move. So wouldn't it be great to have a visualization that shows me how things change over time? I might then be able to identify trends rather than say, here's the report from last month, this month, this month. I might see that we're growing, but I might see something different. In this case, let's take this chart and let's blow it out to full and describe what you're seeing here. So this is average sales cycle, average order size by number of deals. So if we look at the bottom, that's the length of the sales cycle. And if we look at the size of the opportunity going up the left side, and again the number of deals. So in this particular case, it looks like Michael is doing pretty good, right? A lot of different data. So what I want to look at here is how has things changed over time. So here is the report showing the data move over time. Kind of pretty space age stuff here, right? So, wow, what does that, I now can really see how things move and flow. So, pretty cool stuff, right? So I can get this great new view of data, right? So, okay, that's cool. Let's go back to this report. So great, I have this report. It sits in SharePoint. I can fire these out of SharePoint. Again, this is just, as you can see, a website running within SharePoint, within the reporting services. I can bring that experience into CRM, maybe do something like an iframe on a dashboard, bring this into the CRM experience. However, I'm a sales guy, and I just wooed you with my flowing chart. I have a sales meeting. I want to go talk to, go talk to my sales manager and talk about how we're doing. Well, I'm going to take this report and export the PowerPoint. And let's just call this demo. So I'm taking this report from SharePoint and now exporting it out into PowerPoint so that I'll get this cool view in PowerPoint that I can now share with my management. So as that saves, let me just open that up. Slowly saving. There we go. So, wow, that's pretty cool. I'm able to take that real nice report and bring it here into PowerPoint. Just that easy. And show my manager, hey, look, this is how we're doing. But wait, it doesn't stop there. I can come, if I can find my mouse. There it is. Click here to interact. Prompt for my credentials. What are we doing? We are taking that report that I just put in Excel, going back to SQL, or Power View in this case, making that live connection to the data, and doing exactly what we just did in that SharePoint experience or in the Power View report, right here within my PowerPoint presentation. Right? Also, that same capability of click and dynamically filtering my report. We're changing the game in BI, right? This is pretty amazing stuff that I don't think many people have seen. So just imagine, I'm demoing this to you guys. Imagine demoing this to your customers. Pretty exciting stuff. With that, let's take it back to Craig.
Thanks. Yeah, I mean, that's